Dear students of class here, today I am going to start your lesson number 7, that is the conservation of plants and animals. Now plants and animals, they are our true wealth. We have got many resources. Among that, plants and animals also depend upon each other. But it is nowadays lot of deforestation taking place. They are cutting the forest due to various purposes. That's why our day by day our animals and plants they are decreasing, because once you cut the plants or forest, that is the habitat for wild animals. So where they will go, where they will live. So same time they affects our environment also. We are depend upon each other. So let us read detail in this lesson about them. Now the biodiversity. Why the biodiversity? Biodiversity is a place where all animals and plants live together. The animals which lives on the earth, variety of animals, they are known as the fauna, and the plants those live on earth, they are known as the flora. So flora and fauna are two terms are here which refers for the animals and plants and animal, you can say. Now the habitat. Habitat, as you know, a place where all animals or plants live themselves. According to that they are changing their habits, and according to that environment they are made by nature, so they can adjust in that particular space. Now you can say some species of the plants all over world is there. There are variety of species you can find everywhere, but some species of the plants and animals are already extinct. That is known as extinct species, like dodo bird. It is no more in the world. Dinosaur, you can say. So they have become extinct due to loss of their habitat or some reason. Some species of animals and plants they are endangered. They are about to become extinct if they will not be protected. So this way, some governments they are taking care of their plants and animals, that is known as protection. So some species have become low numbers. They are decreasing day by day, so that is known as the vulnerable species. Now come to the page number 92. Why they are getting less number are going extinct? Because of destruction of natural habitat, that is the forest. What effects is going on? Deforestation is primarily done for the following reason. There are points given, you can go through why they are deforestation people are doing. For agricultural purposes they are doing. Some exotic species also there, those who are in other species, but they are added to our particular species. Due to change of climatic condition also, many plants and animal getting extinct are reducing their number. Now we have to take care of them and we must conserve them. Some area there are people growing more and more crops, so a situation will come where these crops or animals will become less and less, and the land will become desert. Slowly it will change in desert. This is known as desertification. Now conservation of our nature wealth. We must conserve our wealth, because of this only will able to survive in future. So human efforts for conservation is being done in many ways. Now here you can see some points, 5 points given, how you can conserve the nature, how you can conserve our wildlife and forest given. Now some efforts by government also being done One red data book has been maintained by the many places all over world, you can say. It is having a record of all endangered animals, extinct animals, and those who are about to endanger. So the many efforts in India also being made. Governments has put up many wildlife sanctuaries where lot of protection given to the animals and plants, and same way many other places in our country, many biosphere reserves and wildlife sanctuaries has been given to protect themselves. This way, the last topic comes migration. Migration, you know, the seasonal movement of the animals from one place to another place due to change of climatic condition is known as the migration. Some birds like Siberian crane, some animals like, here examples has been given, they are getting migrated in seasonal, again they are coming back when the seasons are already over. So every year you might have seen the lot of birds, they are coming to other places due to extreme cold in our country. These Siberian cranes generally coming and again going back when the season is become little hot. Same here, some birds in Rajasthan and all also shifting from here to there. This way they are observed that this is a type of migration, temporarily shifting of the plants and animals due to changing of climate from one place to other place. So this is end of the lesson. The exercises and all I will tell you afterwards. Thank you.